Current direct deposit changes are usually completed by updating your payroll information with your employer, because your employer controls where your paycheck is sent. By the end, you'll know how to switch your direct deposit for current, what steps to follow, and what to check if your paycheck does not arrive in your current account. The first step is checking your current account details. Open the Current app and review the account information connected to your deposits. Confirm that the details you plan to provide to your employer are correct. Your employer's payroll system controls the destination of your paycheck. Changing only settings inside the Current app may not move future deposits if your employer still has your old account information saved. To switch your direct deposit, contact your employer's payroll department or access your company's payroll website. Find the direct deposit section and replace your previous account information with your updated current account details. Enter every detail carefully before submitting the change. Incorrect account information can cause delays or prevent your paycheck from reaching the correct account. After your employer processes the update, check your upcoming paycheck deposit. Direct deposit switches may take time because payroll systems need to apply the new payment instructions before sending your next payment. If your paycheck is not appearing in current, check 3 things. First, confirm your employer completed the direct deposit update. Second, verify that the account details you entered match your current account information. Third, open the Current app and look for any account notifications or messages. Avoid removing your old direct deposit information before the new setup is confirmed. Keeping track of both the old and new information during the transition helps you identify where a payment issue happened. If you need to fix a current direct deposit switch issue, follow these steps. Review your current account details, update your employer payroll information, and confirm your next paycheck reaches the correct account. The main points are simple. First, direct deposit changes are handled through your employer or payroll provider. Second, accurate account details prevent common payment problems. Third, checking your first deposit after switching confirms that the update worked. Your next step is to open the Current app, verify your account details, and contact your payroll provider to update your direct deposit. If this guide helped you fix your issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.